Don't toss those cucumber centers. Transform them into a creamy, delightful dip with this zero-waste hack. Start by finely chopping the seedy center of your cucumbers. Too much water makes for a runny dip. Gently squeeze the cucumber in a strainer and discard the juice. Grab a bowl and add the cucumber to it. Add in your Greek yogurt and mix well. The thicker the yogurt, the creamier your dip. For the flavor boost, add minced garlic and chopped mint. The bright note, a splash of lemon juice or white vinegar cuts through the creaminess, and season with salt and pepper to taste. For an eye-catching presentation, drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle extra herbs on top. Serve with pita, crackers, or raw veggies. Waste not, dip more. Your creamy cucumber magic is served.